Hello everyone. In the last video, we have derived the relationship between the bulk unit weight in terms of specific gravity and degree of saturation and void ratio, that is gamma t or gamma suffix b. Gamma suffix t or gamma suffix b is equal to gs plus sc into gamma w by 1 plus e by using three-phase diagram. So in this video, we'll be discussing and deriving gamma d, that is dry unit weight in terms of void ratio and specific gravity and unit weight of water. Anyway, actually in the bulk unit weight derivation itself, I have showed the relationship between gamma d and gamma t, and also gamma d is equal to g gamma w by 1 plus c. That relationship actually I have showed in the last video. So but in this video once again I will derive. So this is gamma d, gamma suffix d. So this three-phase diagram actually I have explained while deriving E into S is equal to GS into gamma W. In further derivations also I will be using this three-phase diagram, and how I have written this weight of water in terms of degree of saturation, void ratio, unit weight of water. This I have showed in ES into E into S is equal to GS into gamma GS into water content derivation. So again and again I am not deriving once again. So we'll directly go to the derivation. So gamma d is equal to gamma d, dry unit weight is equal to, according to the definition, it is weight of the solids to the total volume of the soil. Weight of the solids to the total volume of the soil. So according to the three-phase diagram, how we can write weight of solids? In place of weight of solids, we can write gs into g suffix s into gamma w, g suffix s into gamma w divided by total volume. Total volume, how I can write? So this will be the total volume of the soil. This will be the total volume of the soil. That is, I can write 1 plus e. Here 1 is nothing but volume of soil solids. That according to the assumption only we have derived all these relationships. Vs is equal to 1. So void ratio is equal to what? Void ratio is equal to this volume of voids to the volume of solids. Anyway, volume of solids is equal to 1. So directly in place of volume of voids, we can write void ratio. So finally gamma d is equal to gs into specific gravity of soil solids into unit weight of water to the 1 plus e. So this is the derivation of the dry unit weight in terms of specific gravity and unit weight of water and void ratio. In the next video, we will be deriving submerged unit weight in terms of specific gravity, of soil solids. So I hope this content is useful. If you find my content is useful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.